If you are encountering your Snapchat account getting banned automatically when you log into your account or sign up for an account from your iPhone, don't worry. Follow these easy steps to fix the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the Snapchat app. Go to the App Store, search for Snapchat, and update the app if an update is available. Solution 2. Offload the Snapchat app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find the Snapchat app, and tap on Offload the app. Tap Offload app again. Now reinstall the app. Solution 3. Contact Snapchat support. Open up a browser, type Snapchat support. Compromised. Fill up the information carefully. Explain your problem in the description. Now submit the request. Hopefully, the support team will contact you as soon as possible, and they are gonna fix the problem. So guys, this is how you can fix your Snapchat account getting banned on your iPhone. And if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comments section. And as always, thanks for watching it.